Jason Knott with CE Pro, and I'm sitting here with Ben Gosvig of AmbiSonic Systems. Ben, thanks for joining me today.
My pleasure, Jason. Pleasure to be here.
All right, an integrator's got 5 minutes to come by your booth at CEDIA Expo. What should he ask about?
The most significant thing we're bringing to the market this year is the L240 Wi-Fi amplifier. It's the world's first outdoor all-weather amplifier, IP65 rated for permanent outdoor installations, and it addresses the primary problem that installers always have, which is where do you put the amplifier in an outdoor audio installation? So it typically, when you have an amplifier, you can't put it outside because you have vents, and therefore they are susceptible to moisture and condensation. And then you have to run speaker wires long distances if you put it inside. And then you also have to figure out how to get the signal from inside to outside, especially if it's a wireless signal. The L240 solves those issues by being an amplifier. You simply plug in outdoor, any place you have an outdoor outlet, and then it gives you Bluetooth, Wi-Fi capability, along with line level inputs, and a direct Ethernet hardwire connection if you so desire for your LAN.
You guys are doing some unique things in the outdoor space already with planar ribbon tweeters, correct?
That's correct. Yeah. For years, we were the largest OEM provider of satellite subwoofer systems, and we discovered there's certain limitations to those designs in terms of output, coverage, and aesthetics, and also installation. They take a lot of effort to put in. You need a lot of speakers to fill the space, and even though they're not big, they do have a visual impact when you have 15 or 20 of them out there. So we came up with a planar ribbon design, and to my knowledge, it's the world's only outdoor planar ribbon driver. And what that means is you have astounding performance. The planar ribbon driver actually has almost no mass. It's a very thin membrane, only 34 microns, and so when it receives an impulse, it has an explosive and instantaneous transient. So the sound that comes off it is remarkably clean and articulate, and not only is the performance incredible, but also the projection is unusual. You can be out 100, 120 feet, and it's still clear, articulate, the highs are intelligible. So that's a large difference, not only in projection, but also in dispersion. A typical conventional loudspeaker disperses at 50 to 55 degrees. Planar ribbons, with the dispersion cabinet we create for it, will disperse at 110 degrees. So between the broad lateral dispersion and the much longer projection fore to aft, you can cover about 4,000 square feet with just 2 speakers.